Ready to race, guys. This KTM has everything you need. The performance mode, the track mode, and in the track mode you can even choose different throttle response, sport, track, or street. And you have the slip adjuster, which is probably very nice when you have big cojones. And of course you also have the anti-wheelie mode, which you can put on or off, and also you can go on track in comfort mode. But look at that. Slack, slack, slack. Much too much on your throttle tube. So let's try and fix it with some spacers from Racetorx UK. First you have to remove the protection of the handlebars. At this point you can open the ride-by-wire box and pop out the throttle tube. Don't forget to put on some white grease on the little pieces to keep them in place. Once you have installed them, open the case and pop in the throttle tube again. Then close the case again in the right position. Check if it works correctly. And then put back the protection. In the right position, of course. And look at that. The slack is really gone. That is just perfect. All right.